Hey everybody, it's Kevin from 3D Printed Props. Welcome to 2018. Yeah, I know it's been 2018 for a while. Well, hey everybody, I want to welcome you back for a new video. You might be saying, Kevin, it's been 2018 now pretty much for a month. Why are you just doing your the traditional, or I guess the obligatory welcome to 2018 video now? Well, my amazing wife and I were on a very extended vacation to India, where we drove everywhere and did all kinds of things. I mean, we of course saw the Taj Mahal, and we went to we were in New Delhi and Agra and Jaipur, and you name it. We were all over the place for 3 weeks and then some. So just been busy, just been doing that kind of stuff, and then the holidays. But the trip was amazing. It's a tricky trip. It isn't sort of like a easy breezy European type vacation. It's a lot of traffic, it's a lot of noise, it's a lot of people. It's huge, it's noisy, but at the same time, it can be very beautiful. Me being a little monkish, not that kind of monkish, this kind of monkish, it had its challenges, but I really, in the end, enjoyed it. So what are we going to be doing in 2018? I've got a ton of stuff planned. Obviously, right off the bat, the first few things we're going to finish up are the Star-Lord cosplay costume. I've pretty much gotten everything built. I've got like 5 videos I still need to edit. The coat is coming in today. Today is the 30th, maybe? And so that's coming in today. You might be saying, how do you not know what the day is? It is, as you can tell, I'm always drinking coffee, but it's 5 o'clock in the morning, so I don't really know what day it is at this point. And but the coat's coming in today, and that's it. Everything else is done, so we'll be sort of shooting some video with me suiting up. I'm really excited. Need to tweak a few things, and then we'll be ready to go. Next thing we're going to finish up is Red Hood. If you follow me on Instagram or our Facebook channel or Twitter, you can see all those in the links in the description or on the little side there of the image. I usually post updates, little photos and things like that, little videos, and you can see a lot of stuff, a lot of videos and a lot of stills for Red Hood, which I haven't really done that much on the YouTube channel yet. So go ahead and follow me over there. So we're going to finish that up. Then we're just going to be working on some different smaller props. We're going to be working on some 3D prints from a lot of people I follow on Patreon. So we're going to be doing little projects, and we'll be doing some really big projects. I'm really excited about 3D wise. 3D printing sort of whole suits, sort of like Badge 3D does, and things from like Do 3D or Do3D, or again, people that I follow on Patreon that have whole suits that I'm going to be 3D printing for different things I'm excited about. And of course, like I said, smaller things. Little props that I can finish in a day, shoot the video, maybe wire up, and get out there. Because the big projects are fun, but they can, sort of drain you a little bit. So I'm going to really work on some smaller things as well. On the non-3D front, I'm going to be working with some foam to do some foam armor and some foam props that I've been sort of fooling around with, I'm excited about. And also two of the coolest projects, non-3D related, that I'm going to be doing. One is, I've already started a video. It's a sort of intro video. It's the converting the Blade Runner squirt gun into a really cool looking prop replica using one of Soul Inertia's kits. So that's it. But the one I'm really super excited about, I'm a huge Star Wars fan, but at heart I'm a Star Trek fan. It's just what caught me when I was young, in syndication. You could watch it on TV, and I loved it. I'm going to be modding a Art Asylum phaser using I found this guy on eBay, and of course I'll link to him when we do the videos, all metal parts and a few other tricks. So I'm super excited about that. So tons of stuff this year, different types of video series where I'm doing small props, where I'm doing big props. I'm going to really bone up on my airbrushing and do more airbrushing. And also I've been working and practicing with Fusion 3D, so I'll be doing some more of my own 3D models and then printing them. I'm also working on some different collaborations with 3D creators, 3D model creators, and we'll talk about those in later videos. Well, all right, I need to drink some more coffee and get ready for work, read a little bit, and get on the drive. It's a decent commute. I want to thank you guys for watching. I love this community. I cannot wait to start creating content again and working in my shop again. I haven't really done anything in about a month and a half because we've been gone. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are getting something from the video, learning. I know that I learn a lot from the people I watch on YouTube. If you look at one of my other videos, who I watch on YouTube, just a small smattering, a lot more, but those are the main ones that I kind of watch. And again, I really appreciate it. If you like the video, click like, subscribe, hit that little bell thing now that they've got, that you can know right when I have a video out. And in the upcoming weeks, we'll be really kicking some videos out and working on finishing up a bunch of projects and starting a bunch of new ones. So again, welcome to 2018, now that it's pretty much February by the time I post this, and have a good day.